The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 12K resin 3D printer, bundled with the ELEGOO Mercury XS wash and cure station, offers a seamless, high-performance 3D printing experience, combining cutting-edge features with user-friendly design. This duo is an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking precision, efficiency, and simplicity. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing experience. Both the Saturn 4 Ultra and Mercury XS come with thoughtfully packaged accessories to get you started right out of the box. User manual, power cord, drip tray, toolkit with all essential components, build plate, Saturn 4 Ultra 12K resin 3D printer, washing station, curing station, handheld UV lamp, UV protection glasses. The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra features a 10-inch 12K mono LCD, delivering an impressive resolution of 11,520 by 5,120 pixels and an XY resolution of 19 by 24 micrometers. This enables unparalleled detail and precision, making it perfect for intricate designs and complex models. Whether you're printing figurines or mechanical parts, the level of detail is astonishing. Intelligent and hassle-free operation. Equipped with smart auto-leveling and intelligent self-check systems, the Saturn 4 Ultra minimizes setup time and ensures a smooth printing experience. Simply unbox, power on, and you're ready to print. The seamless printing restart feature allows you to pick up where you left off in case of interruptions, adding an extra layer of convenience. Advanced light system for precision. The COB plus Fresnel collimating lens system is a standout feature, offering an ultra-low astigmatism coefficient of 0.5% and a uniformity rate of 92%. The light source emits at 405 nanometers, achieving exceptional clarity and accuracy, even for the most intricate designs. AI camera intelligent detection experience, smart failure detection, and real-time monitoring of the printing status with our AI camera intelligent detection. Stay informed about the progress of your prints. The intelligent failure detection system ensures your printer is always protected. With foreign object detection, resin shortage alerts, and leveling failure alarms, you can enjoy a stress-free printing experience without worrying about potential damage. ELEGOO Mercury XS, simplifying post-processing. The Mercury XS bundle complements the Saturn 4 Ultra perfectly, providing an all-in-one solution for washing and curing resin models. This two-in-one station is designed for efficiency, making post-processing simple and professional. Comprehensive cleaning and curing. Large washing capacity. The 7,000 milliliter sealed water tank accommodates large models or multiple smaller parts, allowing for batch cleaning. This not only saves time, but also enhances productivity for projects requiring numerous components. 360 degrees all-around exposure ensures thorough curing with the help of two L-shaped light bars and a rotating turntable. The handheld UV lamp is an excellent addition for curing hard-to-reach areas, guaranteeing no dead spots. With its single knob control, operating the Mercury XS is incredibly straightforward. Adjust washing or curing times with a simple rotation, and the UV cover effectively blocks 99.9% of UV rays, protecting your eyesight. The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra and Mercury XS bundle is a powerhouse combination for any 3D printing enthusiast or professional. From the printer's ultra-high resolution and advanced light system to the post-processing station's comprehensive cleaning and curing features, this package delivers on all fronts. Whether you're tackling complex designs or large-scale projects, the Saturn 4 and Mercury XS offer unmatched precision, ease of use, and efficiency. For those seeking a professional-grade solution with user-friendly features, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra with Mercury XS bundle is worth every penny. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.